Facebook ads not working for you in 2023? Watch this video. So we run a lot of Facebook ads for us and our clients, and we are seeing a drastic slowdown of clicks, opt-ins, and results, while costs per click or results are skyrocketing. So we did a lot of testing during these last 2 months, and we found 3 things that dramatically improved our results. 1, audiences. Try not limiting in any way your audience except age and gender, if you have a male or female audience. I personally like to do 25 to 65 in age. Besides that, leave everything as is. I know that a lot of you were using lists to do lookalike audiences and custom audiences, but at least for us, that's not working anymore. And we work with huge targeted lists. However, we have seen an increase in opt-ins when we let Facebook do what its algorithm does best, which is find your target audience by itself. 2, type of ads. Back in the days, we started with landing pages. Then some years ago moved to lead ad forms, and then back to our own landing pages. And guess what? We're back to lead ad forms. Seems like with all the TikTok competition going on, Facebook's been tightening its algorithm. Of course, they are looking to reward people that stay within the Facebook ecosystem once more. So yes, go ahead and try out lead ad forms again. 3, the offer. So we're always testing 2 things, and I think you should do the same. The first one is obviously your main offer. And we do sell a high ticket service, so it's more of a teaser type of ad with a small text and a small video with a call to action. And we obviously don't include price. The second thing is we split test 3 lead magnets in which we offer digital tools, PDFs, or documents as freebies. Of course, this second one is a longer term play and helps with our list building. Remember to keep in mind that we're running lead ad forms. What we do is capture the data, and then on the option Facebook has after submission, we send them to the landing page after they fill in the info. We do, however, program with our favorite CRM tool, which is High Level, an immediate follow-up email and text message sequence, sending them to the landing page in case they were not redirected after submission. So try these 3 tactics out and let me know if you found that they also increase your clicks and opt-ins.